Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have a delightful topic to share with you that will leave you craving for more. If you're into healthy eating and exploring superfoods, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will dive deep into the tropical world of nutrition and discover why the jackfruit should be your next favorite fruit. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Jackfruit, the ultimate superfood that's taking the world by storm. Not only is it a taste sensation, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse. From its remarkable health benefits to its versatile culinary applications, there's no wonder why jackfruit is gaining so much popularity. So what exactly is jackfruit? Well, let me tell you, it's not your ordinary fruit. Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world, and it's native to tropical regions like Southeast Asia. Its vibrant green and spiky exterior might seem intimidating, but inside lies a treasure trove of goodness. This fibrous and juicy flesh is where the magic happens. It's naturally sweet, with a subtle tropical flavor that will transport you to a beach paradise. But the real beauty lies in its nutritional composition. Jackfruit is not just about great taste. It's packed with essential nutrients that can supercharge your health journey. First and foremost, it's a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps your gut happy. Plus, it's rich in vitamins A, C, and potassium, making it excellent for boosting your immune system and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Incorporating jackfruit into your diet can also support healthy skin thanks to its high vitamin E content. And for all the fitness enthusiasts out there, the jackfruit offers a moderate amount of protein, making it a wonderful meat substitute. Now that we know about the health benefits, let's talk about the countless culinary possibilities with jackfruit. Its unique texture and taste make it an incredibly versatile ingredient. You can use young, unripe jackfruit as a savory meat alternative in dishes like barbecue jackfruit sandwiches, jackfruit tacos, and even jackfruit curry. It soaks up flavors like a sponge, making it perfect for any dish that calls for tender and tasty plant-based goodness. But wait, there's more. Ripe jackfruit can be your go-to for mouth-watering desserts like jackfruit ice cream, smoothies, and even jackfruit crumbles. The possibilities are truly endless. Beyond its extraordinary taste and nutrition, there's another reason to love jackfruit. It's a sustainable choice for our planet. Jackfruit trees are hardy and require minimal maintenance, making them eco-friendly. Additionally, a single tree can produce hundreds of jackfruits in a year, providing a reliable food source for communities. So there you have it, folks. The jackfruit, a tropical superstar that brings taste, nutrition, and sustainability together in one incredible package. Embrace this superfood into your life, and you'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your well-being and the planet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the amazing world of food